Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We from Team 17 will present our project titled Sports Camp. This team consists of Naufar Aditya as a leader, Marceli Nurfalah, Muhammad Syafiq, Hilma Putri, Patrick Maruli, and for Adrian is not present in this video presentation because since the beginning of the project, he has never contributed or interacted with us. General software description. Previously, this application was a project from Wirausaha Merdeka, which we will further develop as project-based learning. Projectcamp itself is developed client-server, where previously the client side used a mobile-based application, and from the data management side used a web-based application. However, we will continue to evolve where eventually the client and data management sites will be in one web-based application.
Functional requirements F1. File providers and tenants access the account registration pack. F2. Admin validates registration file provider's account. F3. Users can log in and access features on the website. F4. File providers can directly manage the file they provide. F5. Renters can search for a sport file that suits their need. F6. Renters can order file that suit their need. F7. Tenant makes payment with the available method. F8. Admin confirms field payment made by tenant. F9. Tenant has been added to the list of tenant files. F10. File providers can make cash withdrawals from file rentals. F11. Admin confirms cash withdrawal made by file provider. F12. Users can log out of the user's account. Non-functional requirements. Performance. Ensure responsive and speed of the system in handling user requests. Availability. Guarantees that the system is available and accessible to users at all times. Security. Protect user data and system from security threats such as hacker attacks and data theft. Scalability. Make sure the website is well accessible from a variety of devices and platforms, including smartphones, tablet, and desktop computer. User-friendly UI or UX guarantees an intuitive and easy to use user interface to enhance the user experience.
This is use case diagram that describes the flow of interaction between tenants, provides, and admins in the system. This diagram includes the provide of account registration login, account management, file reservation, payment confirmation by admin, withdrawal of revenue by provider, and logout of account. First of all, tenants and provider must register an account. After that, the tenants can immediately log in, while the provider must wait for account validation from the admin. Once you're done using the systems, user can log out of their accounts. Use case scenario. Identification number UC1. Name file booking. Purpose facilitate tenants in the process of booking of a sport file. Description. Tenants make file reservation with a very convenient payment method. Actors. Tenants. Main scenario. Initial condition. The user is on the page of the selected sport field. Action actor. The tenants as caution the field to the book code. Is number 2. Tenants cause that and how that are still available. System reaction. The system display the next button and the direct tenant to booking details. Alternative scenarios. Action alter no. System reaction no. Final condition. Tenant successfully completes the selected file booking process. Next, identification number UC8. Name field payment. Purpose facilitate tenants in the process of paying for sport field. Description. Tenants make field reservation. Actors. Tenants. Main scenario. Initial condition. The user is on the booking details page. Action actor. Tenants review the booking details that have been met. The tenant presses the process to payment button. System reaction. The system display the message your order is correct. Action actor. If the order is deemed correct, tenants can press the button yes continue. System reaction. The system redirect the tenant to the payment page. Action actor. On the payment page, tenant are asked to fill out may complete mobile phone number and email, then cost and method already provide. Then the tenant presses continue payment button. System reaction. The system will display a message. Are you sure you want to make a payment? Action actor. Tenants make make payments, and successfully performs field rental. System reaction, the system redirect the tenant to the main page of the renter. Final condition, tenant successfully completes the payment process of the selection field. In the last identification number UC9, name confirm payment. Purpose, admin can check in and visit whether the payment in accordance with the total payment. Description, admin confirm the payment that has been made by the tenant field. Actor, admin. Main scenario, identical condition, payment status still waiting for confirmation from admin. Action actor, admin get notification about payment performance by the tenant. Admin checks whether the payment is in accordance with amount to be paid by the tenant. If the payment is approved, admin checks the status, payment becomes successful. System reaction, the system display the status successful on the status tenants. Final condition, admin has confirmed the payment and changed to status successful.
Okay, this is an ER diagram. It has 13 tables that are related to each other. This is the table structure of our application. The first table structure is field provider, second field type, then field schedule, table user, then table admin, field renter, field booking and payment method, withdrawal method, bank list, and bank account. Okay, this is our mockup of our application. The first one is website main page as a field tenant, field information page, field order page. The last one is payment page.
Now I will read about obstacles faced. First is difficult in understanding the application system flow due to incomplete documentation. The solution is conduct meetings between the team and clients to get information and discuss with OnePro to find solutions. The information obtained is then designed in the form of use case diagrams, activity diagrams, and ER diagrams. Second is no one in expect on back-end roles and difficult in understanding the Laravel framework. The solution is appointed to team members to focus on learning PHP and understanding the Laravel framework. The last is it is difficult to hold meetings in person due to the distance of the house that is far apart and the time is difficult to determine. The solution is conduct online meetings by using the Discord application and JavaScript programming language using the Laravel framework. It is a contribution from object-oriented programming. Second is fieldless orders use the first in, first out method. It is a contribution from data structure. Third is calculates the total balance, withdrawal, order, and number of fields on the provider's account. Calculate the total number of inactive provider accounts, withdrawal, and unvalidated orders in the manager account. Calculate the average of field reviews. It is a contribution from statistic. 4 is create project goals and scope and create Kanban boards in PBL ready apps to schedule project work. It is contribution from introduction to project management. 5 is understand and analysis the functional needs of application. It is the contribution from software design. 6 is PBL reports that apply writing rules that meet correct grammar and spelling standards. It is contribution from Education Indonesia. 7 is create database relationship and table structure. That is a contribution from database programming. Next work plan. First is implement the designs into code from using HTML, CSS, JavaScript for front end, and using PHP programming language for back end by using Bootstrap framework for CSS and JavaScript, while for PHP using Laravel framework. The last is fix coding that didn't work before.
That's all of our presentation for in this video. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.